Every job is at least 30% transactional, so why not make that 30% easy? Hi, my name is Priyanka. Welcome back to our channel, Startup Analytics. Do hit that subscribe button. Today, I have a small script for you that would save you a lot of time. I've been using these small scripts to make my life easier when I was doing my corporate job. That would automate, all the manual labor that I have to do. So today we are going to talk about converting a PNG to a PDF format. This could be done for multiple files as well. I'm going to show you how to convert one single file, which is a PNG format, into a PDF. I have VS Code in front of me and I'm just going to test this line of code, and it does work. Now I'll start the actual work. We are going to use a library called image to PDF, which is img to PDF. It's not a library that is inbuilt, so we might want to install it first to be able to use it. So I'm going to use a command that says pip install image to PDF, and I'm going to run this. So it says requirement already satisfied. That means I already have it, but if you run this command on your VS Code, you should be able to install the library. It shouldn't be a big issue. The next is that once this is installed, we need to import it, right, to be able to use it. So I'm going to import image to PDF. What is it that I would want to import next is OS. Why? Because I need to interact with my system. So the file that I'm going to convert, PNG file, is sitting in my folder converter here, communication.png. So I'm going to access this file path and OS will help me do that. The next one is an interesting package. It's called image, but it's part of your PIL. What is PIL? PIL is Python Imaging Library. Python Imaging Library was built for Python version 2. We are currently using Python version 3. So they have creator-friendly fork for us to use. So I'm going to import that as well from PIL, import image. This is just going to help us, access the image, open it, do something to it, and then close it. So now our important libraries, packages, whatever it is, it's all set. Now we can just code. Now, before I code, it's important to think what is it that you're trying to do in this particular problem statement, right? So before I start to code, think about how I'm going to approach the problem. So there are certain parts to this problem that, you might want to break it down. The first one is that my file is sitting somewhere. There's a path to it. So that is one aspect. Then when I do something to it, basically I use my converter and everything, I need to save somewhere. That is my destination path. And what is happening in between is something that we need to see. The first is that I'm going to pass my image path, right? Where the file is actually sitting. I just showed you where it is. Then I want to save it somewhere. So that's my destination path. Now I want to open the file, right? So I'll just name this as image1 because I don't want to confuse it with the package image with a capital I that I have used. And I will use that package to open my path, my image path. So since my image is now open, I want to convert it. So I'll just name the variable as PDF converter and use my image to PDF library package. And there's a function that resides in it named convert, which would essentially change this image1 file name into PDF. So my file is also now converted. What exactly is left now? Nothing. So I'll just create a variable file which is going to open my destination path that I will set and go by binary. So I've opened the destination path. Now I need to write the path with what? The PDF converter file that we have created, right? And the work is done. So I will close my image. I will close the destination. And to just say everything is done, I print success. Now we need to pass the path. It could be anything else. That's why I've kept it last, because it's something specific to your path that you would create for your folders. Sitting under converter. So this is my path. So that's my path for image, and under converter itself, I will just save it as PDF. I might change this when I have multiple files, but I like this should work. So it says success, and let's just see if we have it. Awesome. I'm opening it and this is my PDF. Do give it a try for multiple files. You will have to create a for loop, give a different path for destination. But if you're facing any issues, do comment on this video.